Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's another nail video. So the color for 2018 is ultraviolet, and I really wanted to incorporate some type of violet into my nail design. So I came up with this super easy ombre purple design with some rhinestones. So if you want to see it, then keep on watching. So I'm taking this color, it's called Peace, Love, and Purple. And then this one right here is called Chicky and Hiliski. And this nail brush, ombre brush right here. And those are all the products you would need, of course, base and top coat. I'm taking the first purple, which is the lighter one, and I will be applying that at the top of the nail. And I will be painting the nail halfway into the nail. Okay, so the second part of the design is to take the darker purple and basically put it on the bottom and start blending the two colors together. This design is super easy. It's all about applying the color and blending it with the brush, and then applying more color to make sure they're nice and bright, and make sure there's not a line of demarcation. Here for the second design, I decided to switch it up and start with the darker purple on top and then the purple on the bottom. And I'm basically going to be using the same technique as I showed you previously. Alright guys, so here I'm just showing you the rhinestones that I put on the ring finger, and that basically completes the design. It's super easy, it's a beautiful design, nice and classy, but still, you know, with a little oomph. So that completes the video. Make sure you comment, you like, and you subscribe, and let me know what you think of this nail design, and I will see you guys next week. Bye guys.